A lot of people dream of making a lot of money. Many people aspire to achieve financial freedom and prosperity, but only a fortunate few are able to transform these dreams into tangible reality. Are you ready to explore your relationship with money and take charge of your financial future? Let me start by asking you a straightforward question, and I would appreciate your sincere response. Have you ever wondered why certain individuals achieve financial success while others find themselves stuck in a never-ending cycle of debt and expenses? It's a question that we often think about, especially when we think about how schools teach us subjects that we rarely use in our everyday lives, but don't teach us about managing our finances. Can you explain the reason for this? Imagine the immense value that schools could provide by including lessons on money, financial management, and investing in their curriculum from an early age. Perhaps many of us would have already achieved financial independence by now. But since they don't, I'm here to step in and fill that gap. Prepare to explore a fresh outlook on money that you might not have come across before. In this video, we'll cover some key aspects of personal finance that might not have been covered in your education. Warren Buffett, a renowned investor, has stressed the significance of self-investment. Having a solid grasp of how money operates is crucial for those who want to gain financial literacy. It's crucial to prioritize investing in your knowledge, skills, and mindset alongside saving and investing. When you focus on personal growth and education, you improve your capacity to earn a higher income and discover new opportunities for financial progress. Remember, building wealth is a gradual process that requires patience. It requires a conversational approach that emphasizes the importance of being patient, disciplined, and committed to continuous learning and personal development. It's crucial to think about more than just your income and focus on effectively managing and growing your wealth over time. Prepare yourself for a captivating discussion that will lead you on a fascinating exploration, uncovering the lesser-known facts about the complexities of money that extend beyond simple saving and investing. Are you open to changing your mindset about money and embarking on a path towards financial freedom? Let's dive into the principles that can guide you towards a successful future. The digital revolution and wealth. We are currently experiencing a significant shift in our society, the digital revolution. In contrast to previous eras focused on agriculture and industry, the modern world places a high value on information as the new form of currency. People who have a good grasp of the digital world can generate substantial wealth without the usual obstacles, such as formal education or starting capital. Creating content online has become one of the most lucrative ventures in this digital age. Through various platforms like social media, YouTube, podcasts, or blogs, individuals who possess valuable information or offer a unique perspective have the opportunity to thrive. The changing landscape of information creation and consumption offers a special chance for those who are open to adapting and embracing the digital world. According to Gary Vaynerchuk, a well-known expert in digital marketing, content is king, but context is God. Creating content is important, but it's equally important to truly understand your audience and provide them with valuable information that connects with them. Understanding this perspective is crucial for differentiating yourself in the competitive online market. These days, anyone can tap into the opportunities of wealth creation in the digital age. Are you prepared to take advantage of this chance and shape your future? Exploring financial levels. Let's start by discussing your current financial situation before we embark on the path to building wealth. There are 4 distinct levels of financial management, each representing a different approach to handling money. Level 1. Spending too much. This is the worst level, where you consistently spend more than you earn. Spending more than you can afford can result in a buildup of debt, financial strain, and an unstable financial situation. It can lead to a pattern of borrowing, accumulating more debt, and feeling increasingly stressed about finances. Once you reach this stage, it's important to acknowledge the issue and make a firm decision. to reduce unnecessary expenses and steer clear of debt. Level 2. Break-even point. At this stage, you use up all your earnings without any savings. You're not exactly incurring debt, but you're also not making any progress. Living from one paycheck to another can feel like a constant struggle, where you're merely getting by instead of flourishing. In order to make progress, it's important to explore different methods of boosting your income or cutting down on expenses. This will allow you to start saving and investing for the future. Level 3. Starting with basic saving. You can set aside a small portion of your income. However, these savings are often made without a clear purpose or strategy, which can result in missed opportunities for growth. Now is the time to establish clear financial objectives and create a savings strategy. This could involve setting aside funds for unexpected expenses, saving for a home, or investing in your long-term goals. Level 4. Strategic growth. This represents the optimal financial level. Here, you have the opportunity to effectively manage your expenses, make smart savings decisions, and grow your wealth through strategic investments. According to financial expert Robert Kiyosaki, the key to financial success lies in maximizing the value of your money and ensuring it works for you and future generations. At this point, you're not only saving money but also putting it to work for you, securing your financial future and promoting growth. Let's pause for a moment and evaluate your current financial situation. It's worth considering the necessary steps to advance to the next level. Are you prepared to escape the never-ending cycle of financial stagnation and create a roadmap to financial prosperity and stability? Let's begin your journey with a vital self-assessment. Number 1. Changing your perspective on finances. First, let's clear up a common misunderstanding. What are your thoughts on money? Is it more of a positive or negative force? It's interesting how some people have been led to believe that money is inherently evil or corrupting. But this belief is fundamentally flawed. Money is a neutral tool that can be used for either good or bad, depending on the intentions of the person who possesses it. Actions are often guided by the values and priorities of an individual, rather than being solely determined by money. Consider this. Are you utilizing your resources to assist those who require help, or are you endorsing detrimental behaviors? It's important to grasp the significance of this concept, as money has the power to magnify your intentions. When your intentions are sincere, money has the potential to create a positive influence on the world. So, rather than thinking of money as something negative, consider it as a valuable resource that can assist you in reaching your objectives and creating a positive impact. Number 2, exploring and questioning our beliefs. Let's now question another belief that some may hold. The idea that wealth and spirituality or moral values cannot coexist. It's important to address the misconception that wealth always results in dishonesty or a loss of integrity, as this belief is far from accurate. It's interesting to note that many wealthy individuals have earned their success through their strong work ethic and trustworthiness. Their achievements serve as proof of their commitment to ethical practices. It's crucial to avoid associating wealth with dishonesty and instead strive to become a wealthy, honest individual. Just keep in mind that it's unlikely you'll ever achieve something you truly hate. If you have a negative view of wealth or believe that money leads to corruption, it's unlikely that you will achieve financial success. Instead, try to change your perspective and view wealth as a way to make a positive impact, both for yourself and for others, and to find fulfillment in life. Number 3, viewing money as a tool, not a master. It's important to recognize that money should serve as a tool in your life rather than controlling you. It's important to keep money where it belongs, in your bank account or pocket, rather than letting it consume your thoughts and emotions. Let's repeat together. My money is a tool, not something that controls me. By adopting this new perspective, you can better focus on what truly matters to you, your goals and values. Money can be a powerful tool to achieve your goals, whether it's making a positive impact on others, providing for your loved ones, or securing your financial future. It's important to remember that it shouldn't control your life choices or consume all of your attention. Viewing money as a tool for progress rather than a final objective allows you to shift from mere survival to purposefully expanding your wealth. With this approach, you can develop a more positive and balanced relationship with money, where it serves you rather than controlling you. Number 4, exploring the spiritual perspective on wealth. Let's think about this from a spiritual standpoint. If we believe that a higher power is responsible for creating everything and is abundant in nature, it's worth questioning why this power would desire for anyone to experience poverty and suffering. Plenty of spiritual teachings highlight the significance of prosperity and abundance, indicating that living a life of scarcity is not necessary from a divine perspective. It's important to keep in mind that while money can improve your life, it shouldn't consume your entire existence. Utilize it thoughtfully and intentionally to fulfill noble objectives, like making a positive impact, assisting others, and living in accordance with your principles. Looking at it from this perspective, money can serve as a tool to achieve your spiritual and personal aspirations, rather than causing conflicts or moral dilemmas. Let's have a conversation about some practical steps you can take today to start mastering your finances. Let's talk about how to steer clear of the downsides of credit cards and impulsive spending. A lot of individuals tend to view credit cards as additional sources of money, but that's not the case. Whenever you make a purchase, it's worth considering if it's something you really need. Many times, the response will be negative, and being aware of this can help you avoid significant financial difficulties. Also, it's important to recognize that your financial life encompasses more than just earning and spending. Let's talk about the 5 critical levels of money management. Number 1, income generation. Discover various methods to earn money, such as employment, entrepreneurship, or investing. Number 2, investing. It's a good idea to set aside some of your earnings for investments that have the potential to grow over time, like stocks or real estate. Number 3, it's important to set aside some of your income for savings, but it's equally important to have a specific goal in mind for those savings. Remember to set aside a portion of your wealth to help attract more wealth, like a magnet. Number 4, spending. Make thoughtful choices when it comes to your purchases, focusing on items that will enhance your life and bring you happiness. Number 5, why giving and receiving matters. Discover the key to achieving financial success by finding a harmonious balance between generosity and receiving. Some individuals excel in one aspect, but struggle with the other. Being generous and grateful can bring abundance and joy to your life and the lives of others. Having a well-balanced life is essential for a fulfilling and successful existence. Imagine it like a wheel that needs to keep turning smoothly. If one side gets stuck, the entire wheel comes to a halt. Finally, would you be open to reevaluating your viewpoint on money? It's important to recognize that money shouldn't be feared or avoided. Instead, it should be seen as a powerful tool that, when used wisely, can greatly improve your life and the lives of those around you. According to financial expert Dave Ramsey, it is crucial to have control over your finances in order to avoid being controlled by lack of money. It's important to make thoughtful choices about your finances, whether that's by investing wisely, being mindful of your spending, or finding a balance between generosity and gratitude. These choices are important milestones towards achieving financial independence and stability. Just a friendly reminder, the key to achieving financial freedom lies in effective money management and making it work for you. Understanding the role of money as a resource can help you create a more secure and prosperous future. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful financial tips and strategies. Let's spread the word about this content to our loved ones. When we learn and grow together, we become better prepared to shape our financial futures. Thanks for tuning in. We've got more great content coming your way to help you navigate your financial journey.